Hi, I am Dr. Mathan Kumar, Assistant Professor of Chemistry, Erode Arts and Science College, Erode. Now we will discuss about the topic is soaps and detergents. Soaps are sodium or potassium salts of several combination of fatty acids and have cleansing action in the combination with water. They consist of several fats and oils as well as they are surfactants compounds that reduce the surface tension between a liquid and another substance and therefore help in emulsification oils in water. Soaps are generally prepared via solidification of fats and oils. The carboxylate end of the soap molecule is hydrophilic, whereas hydrocarbon tail is hydrophobic. Preparation of soaps. The most commonly used soap making process is the solidification of oils and fats. This process involves heating oils and fats, reacting them with a liquid alkali to produce soap plus water plus glycerin. The most common method to use to make soaps is known as solidification. So second one is neutralization. So fats and oils get hydrolyzed in the presence of high pressurized steam for getting crude fatty acids along with glycerin. These fatty acids are then purified by the process of distillation and neutralization through an alkali to give a soap. So when sodium is used in the form of an alkali, the soap that are formed are hard and solid. Now the soaps that contain potassium as an alkali liquid are much softer. The cleansing property of soaps entirely depends on how hard the water is, since hard water consists of harmful minerals. For the same reason, detergents, surfactants are prepared over the soaps. Saponification, the other soap making process is neutralization of fatty acids with an alkali. Alkali, like in sodium hydroxide, produces soap with a hard. Potassium soaps are soft. They are used in saving creams and some liquid hardier soaps. Detergents. So the detergent surfactants are bar for better solutions when it comes cleaning purpose, since the hot water does not have any effect of them. The detergents today are much better liquid solutions for cleansing purposes. The solubility attributed to the fact that the sulfonate group does not attach itself to the ions present in the hot water. So commonly anionic detergents such as alkyl benzene sulfonates are used in the domestic purposes. So manufacture of process in the two manner, the anionic surfactants and the non-anionic surfactants. So the anionic surfactants, the hydrocarbons that are extracted from the fats and oils or petroleum undergo a chemical reaction and produced newer acids that are similar to the fatty acids, and alkali is then added to the newer acid produced, and this gives anionic surfactants molecules. So non-ionic surfactants, initially the hydrocarbons are converted to alcohol and are then reacted with the ethylene oxide. The surfactants produced are then reacted further with the acids containing sulfur and form another kind of anionic surfactants. Difference between the soap and detergents consists of a COOH, group attached to a fatty acid having a long alkyl chain. Detergents consist of a SO3 group attached to a long alkyl chain. They are not effective in hard water and saline water. They do not lose their effectiveness in hard water and saline water in detergents. Soaps are completely biodegradable. So detergents containing a branched hydrocarbon chain are non-biodegradable uh, in detergents. They have a tendency to form a scum in your hard water and environment in your soaps. Detergents have compounds do not form scum. They are derived from natural sources such as vegetable oils and animal fats. Detergents are synthetic derivatives. Soaps are environment friendly products since they are biodegradable. Detergents are can form a thick foam and causes death of aquatic life. Examples of soaps: sodium palmate and sodium stearate. Examples of detergents: deoxycholic acid and sodium lauryl sulfate. Cleaning action of a soap. Uh, the cleaning action of the soap is the dirt present and clothes inorganic in nature and insoluble in water. Therefore, it cannot be removed by only washing with water. When soap is dissolved in water, its hydrophobic ends attach themselves to dirt and remove it from the cloth. Then the molecules of soap arrange themselves in myceli formation and trap the dirt at the center of the clusters. These mycelies remain suspended in the water. The dust particles are then easily rinsed away by the water. So next one is soap manufacture. The soap manufacturer in two types, mainly in two types. So the one is hot process, second one is cold process. The hot process is classified in two types. So one is batch process and another one is hot process. The most of the industries was used in the continuous process. The continuous hydrolysis process with natural fat that is split into fatty acids and glycerin by means of water at high temperature and pressure in the presence of catalyst zinc soap. The splitting reaction is carried on continuously, as usually in a vertical column 50 feet in 50 meters or more in height. So molten fat and water are introduced continuously into opposite ends to the column. Fatty acids and glycerin are simultaneously withdrawn. Next, the fatty acids are distilled water vacuum to affect the purification. They are then neutralized with an alkali solution such as sodium hydroxide, that means caustic soda, to yield neat soap. In the bath soap manufacture, a surplus of free fatty acids, often in combination with superfatting agents as olive oil or coconut oil, is left or added to the final stage to there is no danger for too much alkali in the final product. The entire hydrolyzer process from natural fat to final marketable product requires a few hours as compared with the 4 to 11 days 4 days to 11 days necessary for the old boiling process. By the byproduct, glycerin is purified and concerned as the fatty acid is being produced. Thank you.